My name is Ikobi. My grandmother has touched many lives, transporters, artisans, her shop attendants, and even my own life. And she had this uncommon ability to affect life through the business she had built over years. She built fantastic relationships. Just like my grandmother, I want to be able to affect life, only that my dream has expanded. I have been challenged by the realities of unemployment in Nigeria, and I want to be able to create employment. At Osten Laboratory, we use instrument method to analyze low detection levels for metals and elements alike, which they use for exploration purposes, pollutants, detecting the level of pollutants in the environment, and also to provide data for enhancing efficiency in oil production. Some of our services include geochemical analysis, solid waste analysis, remediation monitoring, soil, water, air analysis, and we also do oil and gas sampling, which includes PVT. The business has the potential of training many Nigerians and creating numerous jobs. A critical analysis of laboratory services in the country reveals that there are enormous potentials in this area, as most companies still source for foreign expertise to deliver their services. I started Osten Laboratory to bridge this gap and provide a platform for young Africans to build their dreams of life. This business has the potential of training lots of Nigerians and training scientists and young people that could change Africa.
As a business person, I help Osten understand the needs and our target market and the need to meet financial objectives. I work with my team, test parameters and exploration, power and other industry to provide solutions to operational challenges. Osten gives its employees the opportunity to develop their skills and competence. I found this rewarding. I love innovation because the company's vision. This is why I am happy to be here.
As a staff of Osten Laboratory Limited, my name is Uche. I work as a business development executive. I joined Osten Laboratory and I enjoy the opportunities given to me to exhibit and to develop my own business plans. The management is so accessible in the sense that everyone is assessed and allowed to air his or her own view, and also to key into the company's vision in just 2 weeks. My team has been able to develop 2 mind-blowing products which will soon hit the market. Working with Osten Lab has allowed me the opportunities to meet different clients, to find the innovative solutions to their problems and possible needs, solutions to the needs and expectations with fast accuracy and quality. This gives us an edge over other labs around.
Okay. This is our wet chemistry desk. As you can see, Abdullah Honora is in charge of our wet chemistry. This is our desk. And some of the equipment we used to carry out analysis. I think she's doing the hardness or yeah. This is also our soil desk. They share the same desk. The soil and sediments are this way. You can see the petri dish full of sand, and that's the wet chemistry desk. We also have the standards. As you can see, we have the working standards and the stock standard. Just as you can see here, we also have the standards for working and some of the glassware they use for experiment. Here also have this water distiller, because we don't use ordinary tap water, we use distilled water for analysis. It's also part of the instrument desk. So you can see our weighing balance, the pH meter, magnetic strip, and the water pass. Coming to the instrument desk, here we have the gas chromatograph. This is an instrument we use to do hydrocarbon analysis. And as you can see, it has a dual detection point and dual button, of course a dual detector. One of them is ECD and one is FID. You can be capable of carrying out TPA, PAH, test, and some other parameters that have to do with hydrocarbon actually man this machine. It's used mainly for environmental and petrol testing. You can see it has an auto injection point and another sampler. It can carry up to 100 samples per at a time. And this is an automated section that puts the injection to the equipment. But here also we have an instrument called AS, atomic absorption spectrograph. Actually used to analyze metals. As you see, also one who is responsible for this instrument is used to this is the speller. This is an AAS machine. It's an atomic absorption spectrograph. It's actually an equipment used to analyze metals. Also here is in charge of this metal and is very good on it. It has a dual lamps for all the elements that you need to analyze. You just slot them in here, and the burner has flame coming out to atomize your elements, which will read the metals in the system here. And this is our fume cupboard. It's used for digestion and light extraction. But when you have like soil, you need to get it in the form that you can use it here. She's in charge of our soil desk. She's digesting, having some good digestion on this. This helps to prevent smoke, the acidic fumes from flowing through the lab. So pump outside takes this out and it makes the place safe to go out through the chamber upstairs, to the chamber up. So you don't need to, the fume will not flow into the lab. It makes the lab a safe place to work. As you see, it covers this glass and the brine fumes will also soon start coming out. And this is a gas chromatography. We'll use it to analyze hydrocarbons running from parameters from TPH, PAH, B-test. You can also take some like a transformer oil, we use our ECD. It also runs on FID. You can also use it to analyze transformer oil. And as you can see, I come here, select my method. I create a method. I select the method to run on the machine, and the machine responds to the command from the system. Like right now, I want to run polycyclic hydrocarbon. That's the method I'm going to use. I set it to polycyclic hydrocarbon method for 2014. And I come to run control. And I click run. I've already set my sequence and everything is ready to run. So you notice that the machine is going to respond as it gets acclimatized to the method I've set it with. So you can see the system is trying to build up hydrogen, flows for the fluids, the carrier gas, the temperature of the metals will have to run on. And if you see from the system, it's picking those methods and it's trying to run sequence and acquiring the data that's going to use to run this request. This is an automated sampler, like you see here. It's an auto sampler. You don't need to, once you set your sequence and you set your method, once the machine is ready, the arm is going to come pick your samples and run it the way it's meant to run. So the system is getting ready now. And once it's ready, fix the sample. As you can see, the temperature is still building up to 250. We have 250 for bathroom there. Back detector is already 3 points. We are fine, right? For back inlet, we still have 230 against 250, so we expect it to build to 250 before we run.
is Honorable. I'm a wet chemist analyst in Osten Laboratory. Osten Laboratories. I feel the company is moving forward and in the right direction. I have undergone a series of training with technical hands-on on my job, which have improved me massively. I know what I do, I know my job, what I do and what I'm supposed to do, and it has helped me to develop my career much better as a wet chemist analyst. Right now, this is a burette, this is a stand, and this is my conical flask. I'm here to carry out an experiment on hardness in water. So, inside the burette, it's my EDTA, 0.01 molar EDTA, and this is the water with the black chromin indicator. When I run down my analysis, it's supposed to give me a color change, which is blue. Changed to blue color. So we do our calculations from here, we take our reading and then we do the calculation, which will now give us the hardness of our water. Thank you.
My name is Osten. I'm in charge of this year's equipment and double as safety officer too. I had the opportunity to work in other departments like chemistry and sample preparations. In everything is our line, every person I'm passionate to work and I am trained like the best officers. And I'm happy to be here.
My name is Vivian. I'm the environmental analyst and I belong to the soil and sediment department. I started my career here at Osten as a core member, and ever since then I can see that this is a fast moving company that given a couple of years blows up into the oil and gas industry. I also like the fact that I've worked with little supervision, and it's given me the opportunity to be able to develop my talent in my field. I also interface my work here with business development, working with my colleagues there at the business development department, Ikenna and Uche, in managing our clients. Working in Osten can be very challenging, but at the same time, it has given me great opportunities for career development. And also, I'm very happy to work here because the company is committed to young graduates, development of young graduates like myself.
In a growing economy like Africa, the importance of small and medium-sized enterprises like ours cannot be overemphasized. My name is Ikenna. I'm the MD of Osten Laboratory and I'm 31 years old. I believe that the tenacity of purpose and clear vision are the factors that drive success in business. And just like my grandmother, this vision will change Africa.